Equivalent fractions, Part 2, Reducing fractions. Last time we multiplied both the numerator and denominator by a single value to get an equivalent fraction. I asked you to note down that the only way to make an equivalent fraction is to multiply or divide, and whatever we do to the top, we've got to do to the bottom. So, no adding or subtracting, okay? Never ever. Only multiplying or dividing leads to a correct answer in equivalent fractions. Okay, by now you should have done some exercises making equivalent fractions. If you got them right, then you're ready for the next step. We know that the opposite of multiplication is division. Let's examine that with this fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. There's my new equivalent fraction. Now, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Using the inverse operation gets us back to our original fraction. That's why we can also use division to make an equivalent fraction. We're not changing the value of the fraction, we're just changing its scale. We use multiplication to scale the fraction up so the values look bigger. We use division to scale the fraction down, making the values look smaller. That's why it's called reducing a fraction, because we're making it look smaller. Let's do one. 8 over 14. The key to success in reducing a fraction is we've got to pick a number that divides perfectly. No remainders allowed. These numbers are both even, so I can divide by 2. How many 2's in 8? 4 2's are 8. And how many 2's in 14? 7 2's are 14. Remember, whatever we do to the top, we've got to do to the bottom. And no remainders allowed. So in this next example, I could divide by 2 because these are even numbers. How many 2's in 6? 3 2's are 6. Over how many 2's in 18? 9 2's are 18. 3 over 9. Both those numbers are in the 3 times table. So I can reduce again using a factor of 3. There's 1 3 in 3 and 3 3's in 9. 1/3. I can't reduce this anymore. When you can't divide a fraction anymore, that's called reducing a fraction to its lowest terms. Now, I could also have taken our 6 over 18 and divided by 3 because both those numbers are in the 3 times table. 3's into 6, 2 3's are 6. 3's into 18, 6 3's are 18, 2 over 6. These are both even numbers. I can divide by 2. 1 2 is 2 and 3 2's are 6, 1/3. Or I could have divided by 6 to start with because they're both in the 6 times table. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 18 divided by 6, 3 6's are 18, 1/3 again. You can reduce a fraction in more than one step till it won't reduce anymore, or you might be able to get there in just one shot. However you reduce it, the final answer in its lowest terms will be the same. Please make a note of this in your math journal so it makes sense to you. I want you to get this because you're going to need it all the time in fractions problems. And when you've written the note, it's time for you to have a go at reducing fractions. Next time, I'll show you how to make short work of part-finished equivalent fractions. These are a teacher favourite to check if you really know what you're doing.